Hey guys, it's Michelle Morris, Independent Scentsy Director, and I'm going to do a tutorial for you guys on how to open your very first party, so your launch party. So I'm here at Workstation, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to log in. My login may look differently from yours. As a new consultant, you're going to have a lot of different numbers and goals and different things on your screen. So just a little bit different, but the top bar is all the same here, as you can see. We're going to click the Orders tab. So now that we're on the Orders tab, we can see all the different types of orders that Scentsy does. We're going to click Basket Party. This is, in my opinion, the best party option, especially for online parties, launch parties, whatever type of party you need to do. Up here it says, would you like to show this party on your PWS and customize your party page? Yes, we do. We want to see that on our personal website. So we're going to leave that in the yes. Right here, launching our party, it is February 15th, 2018. Yes, we want to launch our party on that date. You can close your party anytime, so this date is not set in stone, but we're going to put this to the end of the month. You can close a party at any time, and you can also make your party longer if you need more time. Keep in mind, and this is something I learned later on, that if your party ends and you can't find it on your website, then you need to come back to this screen and make this date go back out further. So once the date passes, it's not going to show up on your website anymore, even though the party itself still exists. So anyways, we're going to move on to host information. We're going to check the box. You are the host as the consultant. And we're also going to ship the party to ourselves. Continue and customize your party page. So this is where we're going to customize, make some small customizations. Nothing too serious or too big, but we want to name our party. Party message, just generic, glad you're here. Take a look at my website. You may want to thank people for coming. That sort of thing. Clicking next. So here you do have some more customizable options. We're going to use the default image, which is right now the diffuser deal, which is, by the way, a great deal. Doesn't come around very often. But you can upload an image, you can upload a link, you can do a video, which is kind of cool, and upload that here. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to leave those defaults. Right here we have the option to do featured products. I do want to show you guys what ones I usually choose. I do the 6 Scentsy bars. Most people that purchase from a party will buy bars. If you'd like to say why you like it, should I say because people buy bars when they're at this party? Probably not. I won't say that. Product number 2, and this is another good one, 6 Scentsy Scent Circles. Scent Circles are a really great price point, 6 for $15. People buy them. And the next one I'm going to do is Lenny the Lamb. Lenny is a permanent buddy in our catalog now. So he will be around a while. And then all we're going to do is just build the party page. So here we are inside of the party. There's a lot of things that are going to happen on this page, and that'll be in another tutorial, but I wanted to make sure that we created this party for you and that you were able to get this link right here. This link is something that you can share on Facebook, you can send to friends and family. This will be the link that people order through if they are not local to you. They can also look at the link, use it as an online catalog, and message you their order. So let's take a look at what we've created. And here we are, Michelle's launch party. Have the diffuser deal. So we scroll down. You see our bars, our scent circles, and Lenny the Lamb. And you as the consultant will be right here. So pretty cool, pretty easy peasy. Watch more of these videos to find out how to input orders and open other party options. Thanks for watching.